We got an amazing news today to give, and this kind of news, it's all about the Insta 360 jumping throughout drone. Now, I think the most inspiration throughout Insta 360 jumping throughout drone, it's all about DJI. Now, DJI, I think, is the most kind of core inspiration throughout all. But what's the main kind of stuff throughout the Insta 360 drone? Well, we're going to see brand new features, especially when it comes to those kind of 360 kind of shots, and probably we're going to get an 8K kind of camera. And on top of that, we're gonna get like the altitude, how it holds the horizon, the camera, how it manages just to stay at the same stance. We're gonna see the flow state. And another kind of stuff which I'm thinking to my own kind of aspect, the sensor is going to be really bigger and the drone is going to be really amazing. And we all know how Insta they are through the product lines. They're really amazing, and they usually push throughout different perspective when it comes to content creation. Not only that, Insta has been throughout the camera kind of criteria, and they're pushing their game throughout different aspects. But seeing this kind of drone is such an amazing thing, because we're expecting a larger sensor, we're expecting a body which can be like a mini lineup kind of drones, and it's gonna be really, really great. And this is just the speculation right now around the internet, and the leaks, they're continually leaking that the camera might be a little bit looking like a DJI Mini 4 kind of Mini 3 kind of body shape, but a little bit different, because we all know the innovation throughout the Insta. They usually come up with something a little bit different. So things which I consider throughout this kind of drone whenever it's released, first of all, to be having a 360 capture. We all know that Insta, they have an amazing kind of cameras throughout the 360. Not only that, it will be featuring an 8K video. Just know these are like the insiders kind of leaks, which probably the speculation will be coming out when they're releasing this product. Not only that, it will be having an easy of use. So let's say you don't need a full production of team throughout capturing using the drone on set. It's just that the drone becomes so friendly that you just use it very seamlessly. Not only that, it will be having safety system, like it detects payload detection, prevent unauthorized mods. So let's say you want to modify adding other cameras on top of it. I think it won't be, because the camera is just enough. You just don't need to add some mods. But you know, sometimes drone spacing, you can control what people, when they're getting it, what they're doing. So I think we're going to see a lot of stuff. Not only that, the flight range is going to be probably, I think, 25 minutes or 30 minutes. I'm not sure, but this is probably my speculation on it. I think my take on gimbal on this kind of camera or the drone, I think it might not be having a gimbal. It might be just normal cameras like the Insta, the way we see their cameras they are, and they're going to be having mostly a stabilization, which is going to be really good. And another kind of stuff, I think to my own kind of aspect, the drone is going to be looking really good. Let us just see what August is packed throughout the official reveal, because they're going to be teasing it, and they teased a little bit of a promo on IG, which I thought that, dang, this is crazy, but I thought that it's another kind of promo of X5 Insta in a different like partnership or something, but they actually nailed it. It's a drone, definitely, because you can see sometimes a propeller throughout the shot of the promo. So it's something which to take note on that. So this is just some speculation I'm reading to you guys, but know that the drone is going to be really good throughout the drone spacing. And to be honest, to my own kind of aspect, I think we have had DJI drones for a while. We have Skydio, we have Parrot, Bebop, we had even other brands throughout drone, but we all know the king of drones usually is a DJI. But right now we're having Insta jumping through that kind of arena. It's going to be really great to have a little bit of a different ingredients. And not only that, we are seeing even DJI is jumping throughout 360 camera to just give us something different. And to my own kind of aspect, these are all innovation, which I can say is such a great thing. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the videos today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the brand new Insta 360 drone, how it's gonna be, and another kind of stuff. I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace. And I'm sipping my coffee. Yes sir.